Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the system features you need. Go straight to Settings, find Notifications and turn on Notification History or the equivalent toggle. This gives the system retention. Once done, enable accessibility if a third-party logger requires it. This allows reading incoming notifications. Make sure you grant storage or archive permission when prompted, because without it you cannot save older notifications. Don't skip permission dialogues. They are the gateway to recovering missed alerts. Now you capture and inspect entries. Open the notification history screen or the logger app. You'll see a chronological list. Use filters by app, time range, or keywords to narrow results. Once filtered, expand any item to read full text, view actions, or copy contents. This lets you reissue responses or save important data. If you need persistent records, export selected entries to a file or share them. Keep in mind that retention duration depends on system limits, so export what matters before it ages out. Finish by managing and safeguarding the history you've built. Configure retention length and auto-delete rules so storage doesn't fill up. Short retention keeps things tidy, longer keeps context. Export logs regularly to CSV or JSON, or backup to cloud storage for long-term access. If items fail to appear, first restart the device, then check that notification, accessibility, and storage permissions are still granted. If problems persist, reinstall the app or reset its data. This usually resolves permission or cache corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.